Hi everyone, welcome to Lily's English channel. Today, let's bake a cake and practice English together. Let's go!
I preheat the oven. I preheat the oven. I measure the flour. I measure the flour. I sift the flour. I sift the flour. I crack an egg. I crack an egg. I whisk the eggs. I whisk the eggs. I pour the milk. I pour the milk. I mix the batter. I mix the batter. I fold in the cream. I fold in the cream. I grease the pan. I grease the pan. I line the pan. I line the pan. I fill the pan. I fill the pan. I bake the cake. I bake the cake. I check the oven. I check the oven.
Looks perfect.
I cool the cake. I cool the cake. I spread the frosting. I spread the frosting. I pipe the cream. I pipe the cream. I place the strawberries. I place the strawberries. I dust the top. I dust the top. I drizzle the chocolate. I drizzle the chocolate. I cut a slice. I cut a slice. I plate the slice. I plate the slice. I add the sprinkles. I add the sprinkles.
Ta-da!
I lift the plate.
Looks like I nailed this
plate.
one.
I taste the cake. I taste the cake. I wrap the rest. I wrap the rest.
Amazing! You just practiced 26 English baking verbs. Repeat them every day and your English will grow. Subscribe for more. See you next time.